आज रसोई में से क्या यूज हो रहा है?
आज रसोड़े में से पता नहीं क्या यूज होगा. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a DIY for a toner which is going to brighten your skin. It's going to give you hydration as well and keep the acne away. Let's see what's there in my kitchen. To make the toner, all we need is rice water. This is the same rice water I have used in my previous video. I will share the link above. You can go and watch it. So I have just taken 1 spoon of rice, rinsed it thoroughly, and I have put it in a jar, glass jar, and kept it for close to 12 plus hours now. Okay. Another ingredient that we're going to use is aloe vera. Now I'm using the aloe vera from the market, from the Faces shop. You can easily use fresh aloe vera. I didn't want to go through that hassle. And the last ingredient that we're going to use is tea tree oil. Oh yes, we need a spray bottle too. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go and put the entire mixture with the rice in a mixture, and I will blend it thoroughly and I will be back. Oh, you know what? Come with me to the kitchen. In a mixture, I'm going to add the entire water and the rice. Okay. Close and blend it well. Do not throw this away. You can use it as a face scrub. But for today, we just need this milky water. Alright, so we are back in our room. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the spray bottle and add the rice water.
I'm going to try and be as gentle as I can. Yay, I'm doing a good job.
Okay, there is more, but it's fine. Okay. After that, I'm going to add 1 spoon, close to 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. I'm going to put at least close to 1 spoon of aloe vera. All right. Next ingredient is our own, my favorite, tea tree oil. So for that, I'm going to use just 3 to 4 drops, not more than that.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's about it.
As you all know, that tea tree oil keeps acne away. It helps fight bacteria. I don't know why I'm stammering today. Close the bottle and give it a very, very good shake. So our very own toner is ready. Keep this toner in the refrigerator and this will last you close to 10 days to 15 days. So use it and let me know how it turned out. I want to use this toner, so before that I'm just going to go and scrub my face with the Faces Smart Peeling Solution. It is not a paid promotion. I'm not getting paid for speaking good about the Faces shop, but trust me, the products that I'm using are extremely good. Now this is used for sensitive skin and it really helps. I'll just show you how it works. Just take a little bit on your fingers and it smells amazing, and it is really very good for sensitive skin. In case if you don't want to, you know, do a DIY or make your own face scrub, this scrub is really very good. A quick fix. It removes the dead skin, cleans your skin and makes you feel refreshing. I don't know whether you can see. Can you see? finish scrubbing my face, I'm going to take a quick rinse and I'll be back. Wash my face, just going to dab it. Now it's time to use a toner. Let it dry and then I'm going to use aloe vera gel on it. Now that my face is dried, I'm going to use this aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. I really feel fresh. So we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your love, support. Take care of yourself, be home, be safe and be good. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.